So PLM World is a user group community. We are the liaison between the users and PLM software, so Siemens PLM software. So basically, right now we have regional users groups, we have special interest groups, and those are year-round communities for PLM World. Then we also have an annual users conference that is only for our members as well. So the major challenges that we ran into were the fact that we couldn't edit our whole site on our own at all times. Even small edits, we could do some small edits here and there, but often we would run into issues where we'd have to contact our web team and get a report and figure out how much it was going to cost us and how long it was going to cost us, and it ended up just being a huge problem, from our call for papers for our events to our forums. Users always running into login issues, and there was nothing we could do about it, and we didn't really know the system that well. Currently, we hold a site year-round for all of our members. They can log into these communities, whether it's by region or by their special interest group, and there now we have the ability to post blogs and forums and calendar items for our regional event groups. So it's really just opened up the opportunity for our users to engage with one another. They're able to log into their specific community and really, get in contact with other people, post the things that they're working on. They just find it really easy now to communicate with others, whereas in the past that's what we're here for, but we couldn't really get them into that process. The big thing for me as an event planner is our event system. So now we can do our call for papers through our system, and we can have our members log in and have all of their information transferred over to that, so that it doesn't take them an hour to fill out a call for papers request. Then we can also set up the whole registration, we can do add-ons, stuff like that. But the biggest part is that we can provide an agenda builder for our attendees now. So we have 350 sessions during our conference or more, plus at least 70 training sessions. So now that we have built it into the system, we can take all of those abstracts, plug them in, let the system know who can submit what, who can build out their agenda using what classes, and they can fully have their agenda built before they get on site. So in the past we've had large syllabi on site, and you're looking through and you're trying to find what session you're going to go to, and now they can all do that before the conference. If they've got questions, or if they want to talk to a speaker about what's going to be seen so that they can decide on better things, now they can have that ability to find that member and contact them ahead of time. So really, everything in the system we're trying to take advantage of, and if we're not yet, then we will in the future. As far as members go, we have signed on, I believe, more than 500 just in the last couple months, and that's just by letting them know all of the options that we now have available through Socious, and once they read that, it's likely that they just go in and activate a new membership, and they're excited and in there and using it all the time. We were looking for a new company that we could tie in our entire event system with our actual user database, and basically Socious has been able to provide that for us. I think our members are really happy, and they're just happy that they can finally do the things that we've been telling them that they could do. And we're giving them the ability to be engaged with other users, and I think it's making them want to be more engaged. I think they're excited about it, and I think they're just like us, looking for what's the next thing that now we can tackle. So I think it's overall just been great.